Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stop Instagram story sharing on Facebook. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Once you're in your Instagram account, head over to your profile that is already linked by Meta with Facebook and head over to the hamburger menu. Go to Account Center. Here you can see under Connected Experiences option, there you can see option sharing across profiles. Tap on it and go to your Instagram account. And once you're there, you can see share from my Instagram account to share to my Facebook account is currently in here, and my Instagram story will automatically share to my Facebook. So if I toggle it, it will just turn off, and yeah, it will stop sharing my Instagram story to Facebook. So it is pretty quick and easy. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video. Till then, bye.